try to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Here today, I intended my family of YouTuber to suggest you my biography is a full of book. I was been writing this book since my study. Then now I to suggest you that all the habits, all the events that have been faced for my life, and up to now I'm writing something. But let me suggest you my background. The author of this book, Hassan Abdullah Abdi, is starting this year for writing 2021 January. Another quote is, take first the failure and then be a successful man. I hope you will be enjoying if you go ahead for listening and watching. Keep watching on this. Chapter 1. Our title of today is The Girl Who Made Me the Social Barrier. My name is Hilghan Abdi Adam. I was born in Somalia, especially in Lower Juba, where my district was in Jamama, especially in Makalango, near to the sub-county of Kamsuma. It located northwest of Kamsuma. Therefore, I was bred in Kenya and learned something there. I was been in Kenya as a refugee for almost 15 years. I entered in Kenya in my childhood. I was 10 years old. I would like to thank my beloved mother who has dedicated me and sacrificed her whole life for bringing me up. And especially I would like to thank the government of Kenya who has put her efforts to make the displaced refugees, to give them a humanitarian assistance. My dear brothers and sisters, I know you will not believe me, but if you go ahead reading of this story, you will be cheerful on it. And I wonder on it. In the year 2016, August, while I was studying in Form 2 at Agadera Secondary School, a strange feeling a strong feeling had entered into my heart where I was not aware on it. By the time I was interested, I don't know, by the time was interested in me, hear what I mean, my dear brothers and sisters. As I was saying before, I will not fall in love while I am studying something, but I felt in love with Buddha. Our love was beaming like the sun rises in the east, and we were waiting on it. Because when two persons love each other, they like to see talking together, strolling together. But the love we had together, I and Hudo, the sun had melted it within 24 hours. Otherwise, thank you, my brothers and sisters. We'll continue ahead there. I like you. Please, if you are new to our channel, ADR and official media, Hilghan and ADR official media, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.